Which country's Prime Minister visited India for the 16th India-Japan Annual Samiti? Option A China, Option B Japan, Option C South Korea, Option D France. Answer Option B Japan. The Prime Minister of Japan visited India for the 16th India-Japan Annual Samiti. The meeting focused on defense, technology, clean energy and strategic cooperation. What new area of cooperation was highlighted between India and Japan in 2026? Option A Space tourism, Option B Artificial intelligence, Option C Underwater farming, Option D Cricket coaching. Answer Option B Artificial intelligence. India and Japan agreed to deepen cooperation in AI as a part of their Samiti outcomes. They also discussed semiconductors, clean energy and supply chain. Which private company is developing Vikram 1? Option A ISRO, Option B Skyroot Aerospace, Option C HAL, Option D DRDO. Answer Option B Skyroot Aerospace. Vikram 1 is being developed by Skyroot Aerospace, a Hyderabad-based private space startup. It is India's first private orbital rocket. Which new framework replaced the old EPF scheme 1952? Option A EPF scheme 2026, Option B EPF Advanced Plan, Option C Pension Plus Scheme, Option D Worker Saving Code. Answer Option A EPF Scheme 2026. The Employees Provident Fund Scheme 2026 replaced the 1952 scheme. It modernizes Provident Fund rules while keeping retirement saving protected. How many months of contribution must a member keep as minimum balance under EPF Scheme 2020? Option A 3 months, Option B 6 months, Option C 12 months, Option D 25% of total contribution. Answer Option D 25% of total contributions. The new EPF scheme requires members to keep at least 25% of total contributions as a minimum retirement corpus. This protects long-term saving. Which bilateral agreement between India and Israel came into force on 4 July 2026? Option A Free Trade Agreement, Option B Bilateral Investment Agreement, Option C Defense Lease Agreement, Option D Tourism Pact. Answer Option B Bilateral Investment Agreement. The India-Israel Bilateral Investment Agreement came into force from 4 July 2026. It replaces the older treaty and supports safer investment cooperation. Which city government announced a 7-year air pollution plan called Swachh Hawa Swasth Delhi? Option A Mumbai, Option B Delhi, Option C Kolkata, Option D Bengaluru. Answer Option B Delhi. Delhi announced a long-term plan to fight air pollution. The project aims to reduce emission from vehicle, dust and construction work. Which digital platform was launched to support women SHG entrepreneur? Option A, She Lives. Option B, E-Sakhi. Option C, Nari Shakti Net. Option D, Ruler Biz Portal. Answer. Option A, She Lives. She Lives is a digital platform for women self-help groups. It helps them create, track and manage their enterprises better. Which sport body releases return to play post-pregnancy guidelines? Option A, FIFA. Option B, ICC. Option C, IOC. Option D, BCCI. Answer. Option B, ICC. The ICC released guidelines for women cricketers returning after pregnancy. It supports their healthy recovery and professional comeback.